So there we have, this is, I think, pretty much dry. So I'm kind of hoping that it is, because it's getting there. But this is the final application of two-part expanding foam, 2-pound foam, in the bow flotation chamber. And it filled up pretty good. I mean, there are a couple of gaps. I mean, frankly, I don't think it matters all that much, but there's a little spot right there. In the scheme of things, I don't think that's going to matter at all. I am going to have to shave some off, so you'll have to shape it a little bit. And so you can see right here, there's kind of a rise right there, right in the middle, this kind of area right there. We're going to have to shave that off so that the decking can fit on top without being obstructed by the foam. There, that's not a big deal. I think we just kind of carve that out. I don't know with what yet. Maybe a saw after it's fully dry. That's kind of it. It is really crazily sticky, gooey stuff. But fortunately, I don't think it really got on anything. It certainly didn't get on the exterior. It got on this middle plank right here. It doesn't matter. That's going to be covered. So I think we're in pretty decent shape with that. And what I am seeing usage-wise is in terms of the material, I'm going to need to order another set of this because that's about where we are on each part. And so I have two more flotation chambers actually in the back here. One the drill is sitting on top of, the other is that board, and both of those are flotation chambers that are at least as much volume as the bow. And so I would imagine I could probably get away with maybe one more set of that stuff, which is, it's not cheap, it's about $70, but it is a lot cheaper than the stuff at West Marine, which was about $110 a quart, and that was about $70 a gallon. So a much better deal. So anyway, I'm going to order up another batch of that stuff. But in the meantime, that's actually, believe it or not, a fairly big accomplishment because it means that I can continue to just fare down the little bits of paint that dripped down when the boat was inverted and painted that created this kind of rough drip edge. I'll just kind of use the grinder to get that flat, and then we can apply this these two top these boards, which are the top decks on the bow, and that will enclose obviously the flotation chamber as well as the storage area right here in the middle. That kind of sits right on top of those two. So good shape for now.